She is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. Ang aking pong partner in crime sa Student Assembly, Miss Ana Margarita Quibon.
So una sa lahat, gusto ko po munang magpasalamat dun sa ating mga guests, lalo na po dun sa founder ng PUP San Juan, si ating Mayor Dia Gomez and ating Senator J.B. Ejercito. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. And to our PUP officials, maraming salamat po. 4 years na!
Welcome back to PUP.
Oo, ngayon na lang ako ulit nakabalik. So nakatulong sa akin yung yung PUP, kung ano ako ngayon. So actually nag-work ako ngayon sa Sizzling Steak under Maxis Group as store manager. So dati, itong building na to na nasa kanan nyo, wala yan dati nung pumasok kami. Yung building lang na meron kami nung pumasok kami, nandito lang sa likod. Sabi ko dati, patay tayo dyan. Akala ko katapusan ko na. Akala ko hindi ko matatapos yung college ko. Kaso nung bago ako graduate, parang unti-unti nang nabubuo yung mga building, unti-unti nang nabubuo yung school. Kasabay nung pagbuo ng pangarap ko, bilang graduate as HRM. So, nagpapasalamat ako dun sa mga naging professor ko, saka dun sa mga officials ng PUP San Juan, kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanila, wala ako siguro ngayon sa harapan nyo, hindi ako nagsasalita at hindi ako nag-share kung ano man ako ngayon. So malaking pasasalamat din. Tulad din yung sinabi ko nung Thanksgiving dinner po natin, Senator and Mayor, no? Maraming salamat po. Kasi kung hindi dahil po dun sa pangarap na sinimulan ninyo, malamang po wala po tayong alumni night ngayon. Wala pong PUP San Juan na tumutulong po dun sa mga kabataan natin dito sa San Juan para po sa affordable and quality education na mahirap pong abutin sa panahon po ngayon. So yun lang. Thank you po. Sana enjoyin niyo po itong gabi nito. Salamat sa mga officers. Thank you.
Batch 2013. She is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Miss Charmaine Bayogos.
Thank you guys for giving me this opportunity to talk in front of you. Meron lang akong konting key points na natutunan sa stakeholders sa PUP up until now, at syempre dahil na rin sa mentor ko. First one was, create your own path. Do not create the path that others want you to do. The second was, always believe in yourself and keep on trying. Do not listen to what other people are saying. They might say that you can't do that. They might say that you're not fit for that. Or they might say that it's not your forte. Or even worse, they might say that you will fail. Third was, do not be contained by what others think you are. Go out and try something new. The world out there is bigger than you think. You can be who you want to be. You can be who you want to be. And you can be where you want to be. The fourth one is be courageous. Do not be afraid of the unknown. Think of this. There's a big difference between thinking that you will fall from a building than actually falling from a building. Again, I repeat. Think of this. There's a big difference between falling from a building and actually falling from a building. Fifth is always be in the moment. Do not be affected by the past. If you have a rough time, so what? If you failed, so what? Those things are from the past. And all you have to do, and all we have is now. So do whatever it takes that you wanted to do in life now, because now is the best time to start. No other else. I know we'll be meeting each other again, and siguro sa homecoming na yon. So start dreaming, start believing, and start doing. Thank you.
So let me share the reason why am I here. Almost 6 years ago, since I took secondary education, major in mathematics in this university. Nung nakapasa po ako sa entrance exam sa PUP Main, sobrang saya ko kasi, tsaka ng parents ko, kasi sa kulang-kulang 1,000 pesos na tuition fee, makakagraduate na ako. Dun sa PUP Main, wala na daw pong slot dun sa course na gusto ko. So, paano na? Then, I saw a piece of paper na nakalagay na lahat ng mga taga San Juan pwede nang mag-enroll sa PUP San Juan. So sabi ko, meron pa ng PUP San Juan. Decided doon na lang ako nag-entrance exam. So sabi sa akin ni Sir Aaron, oh, edi wala ka ng choice, mag-education ka na lang. So sabi ko, Sir, may Pilipino ba dyan? Kasi ayoko ng English. Tapos sabi niya, wala, math ka na lang kasi puno na. Sabi ko, hala, math. Okay, so tinanggap ko po yun. Then, hindi ko po ma-realize or never pong pumasok sa isip ko na magiging teacher po ko someday. Dito sa PUP, ibang branch din. Basta dito sa PUP, hindi mahalaga ang quantity. Mahalaga ang quality of education. So then, I graduated 2014 with special awards. Song Artist of the Year, one of the director's list, and Best Student Teacher in Mathematics. So, hindi ko po in-expect yun na makukuha ko yung award na yon. Kasi, nung una talaga, hindi ko in-expect na magiging teacher ako someday. Thank you po sa founders na mataas na paaralan na to, Senator J.V. Ejercito, Mayor Gia Gomez, you let me see what I can be. Yan. And I am now a public school teacher here in San Juan City. Sa pagkakataong ito, ako naman po ang mag-share ng aking knowledge sa mga bata na gustong maging professional someday. So thank you Senator, thank you Mayor, and PUP San Juan. Dahil ginamit po kayo ni God para marating ko ang profesyong ito. Thank you very much.
I'm Angela Milanes from batch yung last year lang po. Good evening po sa highest officials po, Senator J.V. Ejercito and Mayor Gia Gomez. To our campus officials, campus administrators and faculties, and our other guests at ang mga kapwa ko alumni. Yun po yung makatapos ako, makatulong po sa pamilya ko. So yung PUP po yung tumulong sa akin para makatid ko po kung nasan man po ako ngayon. Tapos gusto ko rin po i-take yung opportunity nito na magpasalamat po kay Mayor Gia Gomez and kay Senator J.V. Ejercito po. Kasi since nung high school po, naging scholar niyo po ako. Sobrang galak ko po nun kasi sobrang galak ko po nun kasi since si mother na lang po yung nagpapaaral sa akin. So parang nagsumikap po ako ng gusto ng high school para lang po makapasok sa PUP. Para din po maging scholar niyo po. Proud po ako na maging anak ng San Juan. At tumatayo po sa harap ko. At saka, proud din po na nanggaling ako sa PUP San Juan. Kasi, ngayon po kasi sa SPI Global po ako nagtatrabaho. Sama po ng isa kong kaklase noon. Sabi nila sa amin, iba tong mga taga-PUP. Parang may tatak palagi pag sinabing PUP. Kasi nakita nila na sobrang sipag kami, sobrang matyaga. Hindi naman po namin makukuha yun kung di naman po dahil sa ito na yung paaralan na ito. Kaya maraming salamat po.
Pleasant evening to one and all. It is so nice to go back here in PUP San Juan. This is a testimony of once Senator JV has dreamed of, and ito na po yung realization ng dream ninyo na iyon. Yung pagpasok ko po dito sa PUP San Juan, I consider it as a blessing and as a gift to me. I was then a transferee before. I was supposed to be enrolling at PUP main campus. But then, sabi po nila, hindi na daw kasi pwede. And they referred me sa PUP San Juan campus, not knowing din na meron na palang PUP San Juan. And ngayon, I am very proud and honored that I am a product of PUP San Juan. Lahat po kaming nandito ngayon, Senator JV, Mayor Gia, I strongly believe that it is through PUP San Juan that we were able to fully develop our potentials, and now we are already in our own professions, in our own respective fields. And of course, on behalf of all the graduates, to taus-puso po kaming nagpapasalamat sa inyo, Mayor Gia and Senator JV, for the realization of PUP San Juan Campus. Kasi kung wala po ang PUP San Juan Campus, we will not be able to have the quality education. We will not reach kung ano man po yung naabot namin ngayon. Sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng PUP San Juan Campus, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mula po kay guards na nakasama natin before, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Let us always remember na as we deal with our profession, we shall not forget to serve the community. Thank you very much and good evening.
Again, good evening, my fellow alumni. It's great to be finally back to our home, tama ba? I hope we'll enjoy the rest of our life. So we have to keep in mind that we are not serving just them. We are serving a big God who has great plans for us. So, ayun, for everyone, I just leave those message and I hope you have a great night. God bless!
To our Honorable Senator J.B. Ejercito, Mayor Gia Gomez, Professor Jaime P. Gutierrez, President Emmanuel de Guzman, in behalf of Jana, Jana Lagindab, she's taking law right now. So medyo may nahabol siyang exam kaya wala po siya dito, Mayor. She graduated in this university last 2014, batch 2014. Kami po ni Jana ay lubos nagpapasalamat kay Senator JV, kay Mayor Gia, sa PUP, sa pumuno ni Senator de Guzman and Sir Jimmy, sa faculty. Maraming salamat po. Wala po kaming lahat ngayon dito kung walang PUP. Po ay tubong San Juan, nag-aaral sa pampublikong elementarya ng San Juan, nagtapos sa San Juan National High School at nagtapos sa Politekniko Universidad ng Pilipinas San Juan Campus. Isang batang simple, payatot, butas ang damit, wala na kahit anong bagay. Isang bagay lang meron, pangarap. Isang tao minsan nagsalita sa aming barangay, sa Barangay Rivera. Sabi niya, ang pangarap ko magkaroon ng isang graduate sa kadang isang pamilya sa San Juan. Paano mangyari yun? Wala namang kolehiyo sa San Juan. Meron lang high school na ipinatayo ni Pangulong Erap Estrada. Paano ako makakagraduate kung wala namang college? Nagtapos po ako sa San Juan National High School na walang tinake na any entrance exam to any university. But I received a presidential award from the Malacanang as leadership award during that time. Sa pamumuno naman ni Mamu Edades, without yung Mamu, I'm not here right now. So, dahil sa Express program, Express Babies po ako, 4 na taon or more, I think 6 years since high school. Nagtrabaho po ako, nag-working student po ako, hanggang sa makatapos. Nag-stop po ako ng 4th year, bakit? Kasi po may practicum exam. Ay may practicum. Siyempre, kailangan mong mag-render ng 6 months to a hotel or restaurant na walang sahod. Tapos kailangan, siyempre, magpapasok ka, kailangan ng pamasahe, panggastos, wala po ako nun. Mahirap maging mahirap, pero masarap maging mahirap dahil napagdaanan mo, mas na-appreciate mo yung mga bagay na wala ka noon na meron ka ngayon. Payat ka noon, mataba ka ngayon. Senator JB, Mayor Gia, President, Director Jimmy, maraming salamat po. Muli, isang mainit na gabi sa ating lahat.